welcome to another time with Samis the Analyst. So I want to quickly show you how to transpose range of cells in Microsoft Excel. Now when we talk about transposing cells, it means to actually return a vertical range of cells as a horizontal range, and then to return the horizontal range as a vertical range. So you see the months, so this is a vertical range. So when you transpose this particular data, it will return this vertical range as horizontal, and then it will return this horizontal range as vertical. So that is what it means to transpose a data set. So I want to quickly do that. I will highlight all this, and then when I highlight, I'll copy it, Control C. So within the same sheet, I'll click on I'll right click the mouse, and then I'll come to the paste options. You can see transpose, so I'll click on it. Can you see it has quickly been transposed? I can also do that in another sheet. Okay, I'll insert a new sheet, and then I can also transpose it in another sheet. Can you see that? So you can do it in the same sheet. You can transpose in the same sheet this way. You can transpose in the same sheet this way, and then you can also transpose in another sheet this way. So that is how you can be able to transpose data in Microsoft Excel.